You're hitting the gym every week grinding, but the scale's not budging. Your strength plateaued and your results missing in action. Does that sound familiar? Let's fix that. Today, we're gonna be breaking down the 5 gym mistakes that are sabotaging your progress. And trust me, we all been there. Mistake number 1, bad form. No, you're not supposed to look like a T-Rex while squatting. If you're trying to impress your crush by going heavier, trust me, she'll be more impressed by you not falling over. Here's an action tip. Use a mirror, record yourself, ask a trainer, you wanna check for form. Quality beats quantity every time. Mistake number 2, overtraining. Overtraining is real, folks. If your rest days look like this, where you're crawling out of bed just to collapse on the couch, you're doing too much. Here's a tip. Balance your workouts with proper rest. Gains happen during recovery, not your 15 set of bicep curls. Mistake number 3, lack of consistency. Are you skipping your workouts because of Netflix marathons? Here's a tip. Create a schedule you can actually stick to. Even 3 times a week, just solid workouts beats sporadic, all-out gym binges. Mistake number 4, not tracking your progress. Not tracking your progress is like trying to find Waldo in the crowd. Pointless. Start tracking what you eat, lift, and how you feel. Mistake number 5, neglecting nutrition. You cannot out-train a bad diet. If your post-gym snack is a double cheeseburger, then your progress is getting double cheesed. Here's a tip. Prioritize protein, healthy carbs, and veggies. And trust me, your muscles and your abs will thank you. So there you have it. The 5 mistakes that might be holding you back. Fix these and you'll be leveling up in no time. And remember, the gym isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Smash that like button and share this with some gym buddies who are at least guilty of one of these things. Check out our next video if you find yourself struggling with energy, even just to step inside the gym. It's gonna help you to maximize your day and your performance. See you on the next one.